So, hey, howdy, 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 y'all. So, what I'm going to do today is just a little bit of fine-tuning on the egg that I carved the other day. I was going to work on, excuse me, carving out another egg, but today I think I just wanted to carve this one out a little fine-tuning just so you could actually see, and then I think I'm going to paint it so that everyone actually gets to see, you know, kind of the whole process. So I'm just going to do a little bit of fine tuning and we'll get to see how this works. So again, fun. I'm going to go down a little bit. Sorry, that is really obnoxious, I know. But again, just going to go, as I had told you, this takes quite a while. And so you can also, you know, already see there's a little bit less on that side. So, and it's not even close to done on that side anyway, but you can see a little bit less of the nasty edge. Nasty edge is kind of gone. So this is what I'm looking for. So I hope that everybody's staying safe out there. I hope that everybody's being good, keeping your distance from other people, which is super, super important. You know, if you have to go out and get things, please stay as far away from other people as you can. I know I had to go to the store today because we don't buy things in bulk. We don't have a lot of room. And some person in the line at the grocery store kept coming up next to me, and I kept trying to get away from her, and she kept coming up next to me, which was very frustrating because I had nowhere to go. Please just use common sense. Sanitize, wash, stay away from other people if you can. We've already been hit. You know, it's hard when it hits your family. We have no idea what's going to happen. We are just playing the waiting game at this point. So, people, it's real. Okay, so, as you can see, hard to do that. Okay, so, as you can see, the front here, now these are pretty smooth. They are not even close to complete. I am not done with the edges here, but you can see it's smoother. There's less fraying compared to these edges. These edges still have a lot of the frayed edging, which I still have to sand down. These have a much smoother edge now. They're not close to done. I don't like the way they look. They still have to be smoothed and made much more uniform. But they're a little bit less frayed. And then this side, of course, yeah, see. So I started to get this one cleaned up a bit. And then I will, of course, paint. And I'll come back on and show you how good it looks as I'm painting it. So I hope that you got to see a little bit of, you know, the next step. So there you go. Hope everybody's doing well. Bye. Stay safe.